Attention, Bailey parents. Hello, and welcome to this brief video on how we are doing our student schedules this year. During this session, I'm going to briefly explore with you your child's 7-period schedule and how to know which Google links they should attend. I'm also going to go over our virtual bell schedule and give you a tidbit of information for the first day of school. First and foremost, I'd like for all parents to know that we do have schedules, printed schedules available. Saturday, Meet the Teacher will be happening 9 o'clock a.m. We will have 6th grade, 10 o'clock a.m., 7th grade, and 11 o'clock a.m. we will have 8th grade. Parents will be able to drive by the school and get a copy of their child's schedule. Again, it is a drive-by, so you'll be able to drive by and get a copy of your child's schedule. Additionally, parents, we did have pickup at the campus. Tomorrow is the last day to pick up at the campus, and it is by appointment only. Parents, you can also access your child's 7-period schedule in the Home Access Center. And so if you have that username and password, you should be able to see it there. And without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that you understand how we will go about making sure our students know where to go on the first day of school. So I'm presenting my screen to you all now. And the first thing that I want you guys to know is that we do have a middle school website. And if you just Google Bailey Middle School, our site is the first one that comes up. When you get to our school website, we have some pieces featured here for you that has lots of information regarding Bailey. Where you want to go is to the Parents section. And once you're in the Parents section, you want to click on the Bell Schedule section. This bell schedule section will bring up our virtual bell schedule and our virtual teacher roster. When you click on the virtual bell schedule, it will show you exactly what our days look like. A days are Mondays and Fridays. We start at 9:40 a.m. and we end at 4:45. It tells you which period students should go to and what time we are having their breaks. On B days, Tuesdays and Thursdays, again, it tells you which periods students should go to, what times their breaks are scheduled for. And last but certainly not least, we have our Wednesdays, our C days. Wednesdays are days that students can work independently on the work they have received throughout the week. It's designed to give students a screen-free period of time that they're able to concentrate on their learning. However, if we discover that students need additional support, we will invite them to small group instructional sessions on Wednesdays as well. Again, you can find our bell schedule on our Bailey website. Now, I'm going to take you to another document. This document will be attached to the email that you are receiving at this time. This document is a very important document because it tells you all of our teachers' information. This document will tell students the teacher's last name, the email address. There is a copy of the course syllabus linked here. You can join the teacher's Remind 101 text messaging feature. This is an intro video that allows you to meet your teacher. Each teacher has recorded a video for their students. This is the Google Classroom code where you can join the teacher's Google Classroom. And last but certainly not least, this is the Google Meet link that you will use to meet with your teachers. Parents, let me tell you how we are going to use this to make this easy for your student. Once you receive your student's 7-period schedule, you can open the student template that is attached to this email. It has a schedule here for your student that you can begin to fill in to help design your student's day. At the beginning of the day, on the first day of school, we will have a morning meeting that starts at 9:40 a.m. Your student will click the meeting link at 9:40 a.m. to join their grade level meeting. During the grade level meeting, the counselors and our administrators will share with our students exactly how their schedule is going to be outlined, and they'll answer questions that students may have. This is a template that will allow your student to map out their schedule. So, for example, once you receive your child's 7 period schedule, if they have Coach Alvin Green for first period, they would write A Green here. And then you could look at our spreadsheet to see Coach Alvin Green. His Google Meet link is here, and it directs directly to him. But what you want to do, I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet here. You will copy and paste Coach Alvin Green's Google Meet link into your child's schedule template. That way, your child can always go back to this document to click on that link. For example, another example for second period, if your child had Mr. Boudreau for math, you would go back over to this document. You'd look over here and see, oh, okay, Mr. Boudreau is here. And then you could copy and paste Mr. Boudreau's Google Meet link there so that it's all in one place for your student. Let's say your student had Miss Broussard for period 3. You type in Broussard, you would find Miss Broussard on our Google Link spreadsheet. And then you would copy and paste her link here for your student. For period 4, let's imagine your student has Miss Brown. You'd do the same thing. You'd copy and paste Miss Brown's link. So that way, when your students start school on the first day, all they have to do is copy and paste the meeting links for each of their class periods. And so this is a great way to help your child prepare for the first day of school. Additionally, parents, we do want to remind you that students must be logged in into their Spring ISD account to join any of our campus meetings. Students will not be allowed to join via any other account. So please be sure your student is logged in via their Spring ISD account. Lastly, I want to remind you that we expect students to be camera ready. They should have their cameras on, they should have adequate lighting, and then additionally, they should be dressed appropriately in a space in their home that is designed for them to be able to work. Parents will be assisting with this. I will have a parent meeting again where I will review exactly how to design your student schedule for optimal success. We'll have several parent meetings to show you how to join the Google Classroom, to show you how to join the Teachers Remind. But in the meantime, I wanted to be sure to send out a video to let you know that we are thinking of you. We do have a plan, and we want you and your students to be successful for this school year. Thank you.